Once you've logged into the PowerAdSpy dashboard, look for the Facebook icon on the left side of the screen. Click on it to explore the latest Facebook ads. Now, right at the top of your screen, you'll spot the search bar. There you have 3 powerful ways to explore ads: by domain, advertisers, or even keywords. Right below, you'll find the powerful search by options, where you can filter ads based on text and image, brand and image, object and image, or even celebrity and image. Next to that, you'll find the sort by option, where you can effortlessly filter ads by the number of likes, shares, comments, impressions, popularity, or even the average ad budget. Beside that, you'll discover the filter option, allowing you to fine-tune your search for ads based on specific calls to action, country, ad type, ad position, and even target factors like language, gender, and age. And finally, we have the Lander Properties option, where you can explore ads by their affiliate networks, e-commerce platforms, funnels, marketing platforms, and sources. Now, let's dive into finding relevant Facebook ads. Start by selecting the search bar, then head over to the advertiser section and choose the brand you want to explore ads for. Once you've made your selection, just hit the Explore button on your screen. You'll see all the ads for that brand currently running on Facebook. Feel free to scroll down to discover even more ads. If you want to narrow down your search results further, head to the Sort by option and set your desired minimum and maximum likes to find ads that fit those criteria. You can select another option, as here we have taken average ad budget. Simply input your minimum and maximum values, then hit the Explore button to uncover relevant ads. You'll find ads that have likes and an average ad budget within the range you specified earlier. Isn't that great? Now, you can choose any ad and click on Show Analytics. This will take you to the ad insights for that specific ad. Here, you can explore various analytic insights, including a graphical representation of social engagement, showing likes, shares, and comments for that ad. If you scroll down, you'll discover how they've targeted their relevant audience based on demographic details such as age, gender, relationship status, and even their country location. Analyzing these insights could help you in optimizing your own ad campaigns to ensure success.